Yeah, so I'm gonna go there. That's really interesting. So I paid you to her through my ring.
Yeah.
This place is a like bougie coffee shop come hostel. Very millennial and Gen Z friendly. Yes, I did just say Gen Z.
Up after they have the hostel and the cafe.
Ah, very
And
nice.
there's like co-working space here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything quiet.
It's where we build our startup that's going to change the world.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. It's called Bitcoin. Are you in?
Bitcoin already changes the world.
Okay. Should we go upstairs or is it?
I don't know.
Nah, maybe not.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Yeah. Okay. So do you want something?
Maybe a cafe?
Cafe? Yeah. Cafe.
Carioca, the cafe?
Carioca. I might get a beer actually because I'm going to do street interview stuff.
Okay.
Do you want a drink of sorts? So coffee, beer. Entonces puedo pedir un why not, un carioca.
Ok.
Y para mí tiene corral o tiene mucha cerveza aquí.
IPA, lager o alt beer.
¿Qué es alt beer? Es fuerte.
Sí, es una fuerte, es oscura.
Ok, un IPA, por favor.
La bueno, ¿de qué sabor?
Cola. Se lo voy a dejar eso aquí.
Where is that?
I know, it looks strong. It looks strong.
I don't know. I don't like the name.
Oh my god, you're literally...
Like Maxi beer.
Yeah.
Alt beer? No. No way.
Sounds a bit like shit beer to me. Sí, con Bitcoin, claro. Sí. ¿Y hay mucha gente que paga en Bitcoin?
Sí, hay bastante, la verdad, sí.
Bastante, ok. ¿Como locais o digital nomads?
Digital nomads.
Me imagino. Ok.
So you want to pay with your ring?
Yeah, so I'm gonna go there. That's really interesting.
Nice, perfect.
Interesting.
Gracias.
De nada, gracias a usted. So I paid you to her through my ring.
Yeah.
¿Entendiste? ¿Viste lo que pasó? O?
No, vi que pagaste con tu anillo, ¿no?
Yo pagué a él, porque él lo escaneó.
Wow. ¿Con el anillo?
Con el anillo, sí.
Yeah, but what I did is just scan her invoice
Yeah.
and you pay the
Yeah,
invoice.
through.
I think it's useful for those places where they don't have NFC devices.
Yeah.
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 Like for tablets or PDAs.
Yeah. Smart, okay. Yeah. Gracias, eh?
Cheers.
That's
I'm
it.
sorry.
That's it.
De nada.
So when did you onboard these guys?
This was like I think 2023.
Is it early?
They were one of the first. Yeah. I started working for Free Madeira at the end of 2023.
Yeah. And you came here quite early in the journey. Well, why is that?
Now it's because they are very close to the co-work Funchal, and they were close to us. So
Makes sense. Yeah. And I mean, the lady was saying that lots and lots of people pay in Bitcoin here,
Yeah.
which is a good sign.
yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It is.
Do you come here a lot?
No, I don't come too often,
Yeah.
but yeah,
Cool.
very good place.
Well, cheers, mate.
Cheers.
Thank you.